Hey guys, good morning. This is Joey at Truck Market down in Memphis. I've got a 2014 Pete 389 factory built glider kit day cab to show you. I've gotten it hot this morning, so I'm going to do a full walk around, show you blow by, oil pressure, frame rails, tires, brakes, the whole 9 yards. This is one of 3 that we've got left out of the same batch. This one just came out of full detail, sand and polished all the aluminum. Really came out, turned out really nice. Let's go ahead and get started. Super clean underneath the hood. So this one's built with a pre-emission 12.7 liter Detroit, 13 speed, only body or paint damage I really see. I don't know how that happened on the top side of the hood, but that'd be the only thing in the aluminum there. Blow by looks good. Like I said, a 12.7 Detroit, 13 speed. It's got 682 total on the miles, less than 2 years on a complete engine overhaul. As you can see, that head looks fairly new and no oil leaks. Truck runs great. Checks out mechanically good. It does have a headache rack and a wet kit as well. When it went through detail, we added all new rubber on the back here. Rear slide 5th wheel, all aluminums. Only cosmetic blemish back here, you do have a, not major, but you got a little ding on the back side of that fuel tank right there. It's in the right light, you can see it, so. Interior's nice and clean. Floor's in good shape. Dash is in good shape. Extra gauges. This one does have 3/4 lockers as well. No check engine lights. Dash is all good. Got good low side oil pressure. Super smooth through the RPMs, and the oil pressure jumps up just like it's supposed to. Guys, I appreciate you watching. If you got questions on this one or any other truck, feel free to give me a call, 901-896-4526. You can also email me to joey@truckmarket.com. Thanks for watching.